Most people make financial mistakes without even realizing it, and they end up staying poor because of it. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to share 4 mistakes that could be costing you your wealth. Stick around till the end. Mistake number 4 is something 90% of people are doing right now, and it's hurting their financial future. Mistake 1, living paycheck to paycheck. First, living paycheck to paycheck. It's easy to fall into this trap. No budgeting, no emergency fund. Every unexpected cost can set you back. Solution? Start tracking every dollar you spend and build an emergency fund to cover at least 3 months of expenses. Mistake 2, not investing early. Next, not investing early. Waiting too long means missing out on the magic of compound interest. Even small amounts can grow over time. Start with something simple, like an index fund or a 401k. The earlier you start, the more your money works for you. Mistake 3, bad debt habits. Third, carrying bad debt. High-interest credit cards and student loans with no payoff plan are a recipe for staying poor. Pay off high-interest debt first. Use the snowball method to get rid of smaller debts and tackle the bigger ones next. Mistake 4, ignoring financial education. Fourth, ignoring financial education. Relying on quick tips from social media won't get you far. You need to understand budgeting, credit scores, and taxes. Invest in your financial education, read books, take courses, and watch quality content.